Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today is day 3 of Advent. So let's get started. Well, we've done, we did 1, and we did 2, and now day, let's get a cute little monkey. And here's day 3, and we've got a chomp. A chomp! Whoa, it's a good size chomp. And we've got a chomp. And it's got, can you spot the bear? And there's the bear. This is adorable. I love that. Oh, I think it's a cat. I called it a monkey. Oh my. I'm silly. Okay, so we got that done. And now for our tea. It is Darjeeling. No, it's Earl Grey. Black tea with citrusy bergamot. Nice. That sounds really good. Actually. Now, when I pulled out the Southern Skeins mini skein for today, there was a little extra in there. And it's right here. And pull it out, and here it is. Pour me a skein. It's an enamel pin from Southern Skeins. So I like that. That's really cute. So let's get on to day 3. Southern Skeins. And let's take a look. They tape these really good. Alright. And here is day 3. Right there. That looks really pretty. I love all these skeins. They are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So there is day 3 for Southern Skeins. And let us go on to day 3 for Paw Ply. I'm excited. Alright. And let's see. Oh, let's see the name first. Here is the name. A Mistletoe Affair. These are some cool names. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Don't they look like they could go together? Oh my, I love that. Oh wow. I like that. That's beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love it. Squishy, squishy. I love that. So they're very beautiful. Real pretty. Very pretty. So those are the 2 skeins for today. And we have one package to open from Hobby Lobby. And here is day 3. So let's get to open it. And let's see what today is. Okay. And here it is. Oh. It is a big bag. And look at the print. And it's got a ring inside. It does have pockets. I'm trying to get it to open up. It has pockets in there. Right here. Here. And it's got pockets on the other side too. There. And it is a box bottom. Right there. And it's got a drawstring top, as well as handles. That's a great bag. Nice. Nice. It's canvasy feeling with like a waterproof liner or a nylon liner. It's got a lot of pockets. But I really like the fact that they put the ring in there. That's nice. So I hope you've enjoyed today's day 3s. And stay tuned, there'll be more. And in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.